This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Kathy Day. SANDPIPER Bay Beauty on 0.81 of an acre with a private setting. Home features a spacious split floor plan with 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms and 2-car garage. Screened front entry opens into beautiful foyer. Large kitchen with stainless steel appliances, cooktop, wall oven, snack counter, desk area and dining room, 2. Spacious living room overlooks screened porch to backyard. Master bedroom with large master bath and walk-in closet. Plantation shutters throughout. CORIAN countertops in bathrooms. Surveillance system. Central vacuum. Whole house generator with in-ground propane tank. Shed with electricity. Irrigation system on city water. Seller does not warranty system. This home won't last. Seller is in the process of packing, more photos to follow. For more information, review the details below.